Ouchie. Ouchie. The blue bottle one, it's very sakit pa ba? Yeah.
The one that we learned in the TV.
It's the one. The one.
Lilo at Kowa kasama ang kanyang Papa Filmar naligo sa dagat at sa di inaasahang pagkakataon ay may nangyari nga kay Lilo. At ito nga ay ikinatakot ni Lilo at agad na umahon sa tubig at umuwi sa kanilang bahay kasama ang kanyang Papa Filmar. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Paminsan-minsan ay may mga hindi talaga inaasahang pangyayari gaya ng nangyari kay Lilo na masaya lamang na pumunta sa dagat para maligo at maglaro kasama ang kapatid at ang kanyang Papa Filmar. Subalit walang makapagsasabi kung kailan at saan talaga ikaw maliligtas. Especially ngayon na talagang summer ay labasan daw nga ng mga digya tuwing summer, kaya naman nagkataon sa pinaliguan nilang area ay mayroong mga digya at doon nga ay nadali itong si Lilo. Nag-iiyak nga daw itong si Lilo dahil nga sobrang sakit talaga ng nangyari sa kanya. Thank God talaga dahil napakatapang nitong si Lilo at nakuha lamang sa first aid at hindi na nga isinugod sa ospital. Nang makauwi nga sa kanilang bahay ay ipinakita nga ni Lilo ang nangyari sa kanyang braso. Nagkaroon na nga rin ito ng marka. Sabi nga ng mga nagko-comment, "Hi Lilo, please be careful, cause everywhere you go, there is always happening in this world. Love your action as a very talented young girl to achieve the hobby that is very unique. Be careful always, we love your energy to join your surfing hobby." Mula naman doon sa iba pang commenter, "Brave girl, Lilo Bebe. By the way, what first aid do you apply in jellyfish sting? Is vinegar effective? Ingat lagi, you are like daughter who enjoys the sea and the sun so much. Just be careful." Ngayon nga ay medyo magdodobli ingat ng araw itong si Filmar Lipayo at si Lilo pagdating sa paliligo sa dagat at iiwas sa alam nila na mayroong jellyfish.
Why are you wearing
What
that?
happened to you?
I got a jellyfish.
You got stung by a jellyfish. Show me. Ouchie. Ouchie. The blue bottle one, it's very sakit pa ba? Yeah.
The one that we learned in the TV.
It's the one. The one that we saw.
How about the big
How did
one?
you-
Is it?
Did you cry? Did you cry for a while or just?
I didn't cry.
But then you stopped, Wow, you're so brave.
Because mommy said I should stop crying.
Yeah. There's no reason to keep crying. You know? It will be itchy. Kamay when you're sleeping. Okay? But it's okay. It's like that.
I'm putting this down. So it's like which
You're still going to swim. What do you mean? Oh. No? Will you still go to the ocean?
And then it's when the jellyfish come.
You do. We don't go when there is a lot of jellyfish. Okay?
How about the pink jellyfish to its sting? How about the pink jellyfish?
The pink one. I haven't seen that.
Oh, is it itchy? Oh, the pink one.
But the one that stung you is really one of the sakit one.
Oh.
But you're very brave, Baba.
Samantala, hindi naman masyadong nabahala sina Andy kahit na nadali ng jellyfish sting itong si Lilo. Dahil bilang mga surfer at mga lokal ng isla ng Siargao, alam nila ang mga dapat gawin pagka na jellyfish sting ka. At doon nga ay talagang kampante lamang sila at alam nila na talagang malulunasan ang jellyfish sting nitong si Lilo. Sa mga nagmamahal sa pamilya, tuloy ang paalala ng kanilang mga tagahanga. For her young age, she is very brave and adorable. You guys are wonderful parents. Hug, kisses, and nourish them every minute and every second. They grow so fast. God bless. Sobrang aktibo naman at mabilis umaksyon nito si Papa Filmar since siya ang kasama ni Lilo sa dagat. Alam niya agad ang gagawin at kung anong gamutan ang nararapat para kay Lilo.
What it says? What does it say? It's surfer girls roll the world. Wow. You a surfer girl?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You good na? You good surfer na? Learning? Learning? Tawag ka, mommy. Okay, like that.
Oh. I thought they're still alive because they have a shell.
No, I boil it only.
And I didn't know the inside's like. Did you eat the eye? Is there an eye? Is it? How did they see us? Like. Oh, look at that one. That's so beautiful. I like it. We can make this as a necklace.
Wala. Take a video. Yeah. You're right, Baba. You can make that necklace.
Oh.
Oops.
He just ate a second food, and this that's his food that he got. And this is the one that he didn't eat. Maybe there's nothing inside. Look, that. Super yummy, but they like seaweed. So I'm not eating these because there's nothing